In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create holes in the mesh without using boolean modifier nor geometry nodes. This is how the scene looks like, and I only have a sphere and a plane in the scene. These holes were created by using Blender's node editor, and it only works with the Cycles render engine. Here are the full nodes. The secret is a math node being added between a texture node and the primary node's alpha. If I don't have this math node, the holes won't appear. Quite frankly speaking, I don't know why the holes appear this way. I found this accidentally, while experimenting with the nodes. There are only a couple of settings that makes this work, and certain math settings create different effects. This inner sphere with holes was created with a Solidify modifier. Since we're only dealing with a material, instead of the usual thickness, it creates another layer of the same material inside. I'll show you the materials, and the rest of the setup details. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.